Hello, everybody. My name is Jacob, and here's a little bit about me. So, why am I taking this class? For one, I really do like photography. I really didn't get into it until about a couple of years ago, and just started kind of just like probably everybody starts off taking pictures on their phone, doing things like that. But I love the editing process, traveling to where we're going to go to take that awesome picture, and then to the final product. I love every step of the way. As well as I also want to just get better at taking pictures and knowing the ins and outs of working the camera, finding the right aperture, shutter speed, ISO, those kind of things. And I also want to pursue a career that involves it because I like it so much and I don't want to do something that I don't absolutely love. The camera model I have, it is old. It's a D40. I don't blame you if you've never heard of it. My mom had it first, and then I kind of took it over because I was using it more than she was, but this is what it looks like. I can't even use this part to look through it. It'll show me, like this screen will kind of show me what the settings are of the camera, but I actually can't use it as the viewfinder. So that kind of stinks, but it's not too bad after all. Overall, I look forward to chatting with you all, and best of luck this semester.